Good day to all super momshies in the world, including the young and beautiful ladies. Welcome back to Expat Journey TV. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell for more new videos update. Super momshies, today we're going to make another flower vase out of disposable plastic spoons. If you are ready, we're going to start now. Super momshies, these are the main materials that needed to transform these things into flower vase. Okay, so and same, these are accessories and foam sheet, of course the scissor and the glue gun. Alright, so we're going to start cutting the spoon. Since this is the spoon, we'll just cut it like this. Other one will be opposite. So it will be look like this. So the second one that we will do is to put this one again. Okay, super Momshies. So this what we already put some accessories. One is in the front side and the other one is in the back side. And of course, this also. So what we're going to do, this we're going to wrap with this foam sheet. Okay, so this how it looks like now after the wrapping of the foam sheet. Now we're going to attach now the decorated spoons. Okay, super Momshies, this will be the result of it, but we need to finalize the base, so we will not waste also the handle of the spoons. We're going to attach also this one. Alright, Super Momshies, we are almost done. We attach already the base, so we will just put additional accessories. Alright, Super Momshies! This is now the result of the disposable plastic spoons. So before we will end up this video, I would like to shout out to everybody, for subscribers and non-subscribers and silent viewers. If you did not yet subscribe, please subscribe now and don't forget to press the notification bell for more new videos update. Until next time, babushi!